On my way back to learning Illustrator in the year day 65, let me show you a simple example where we use the Pathfinder, or at least its basic function unite. As I've already said in this playlist, starting with flag designs is a good way to get some practice. These are usually simple designs, and you will find lots of examples via a Google search. Let me create a rectangle first. I'll make it bluish. Another rectangle. I go from left to right. I'll make that yellowish. And then I make sure that it's in the center. And by center, I mean the vertical center. And just to check, I transform it a little bit left and right to see if I end in the same line as our blue rectangle in background. Once I've got it, I'll hold Alt and drag a copy out of there, hold Shift when you rotate it, reposition it, maybe up to here. Make it smaller on top and bottom. Once again, our blue background is the border. And it's basically the Sweden flag. But what if we select it all and we try to give it an outline? So we give it a stroke. You can see it looks fine, but not here, where the two yellow rectangles overlap. So how can we get rid of that? One way is to go to Window and use the Pathfinder menu. And then hold Shift and left click on these two rectangles and use Unite. And you can see how that kind of like fuses these two elements, and therefore the black stroke here where we don't need it vanishes. And if I make that bigger, you can see it even more clearly. So you can use these basic shapes, create overlaps, and then, for example, use the Pathfinder Unite to make that one element. Another very simple design would be a plus sign. Again, I'll hold Alt when I drag to have a copy. I'll hold Shift when I rotate. I select it all, and then I use Pathfinder Unite. And let me make the stroke a little bit thicker. And you can see it unites these two elements, and therefore the stroke here in this overlap area vanishes. As always, try to recreate this to get some practice and then come back for the next tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.